This is day 364 of Pshat, and we are on dot membranes and membranes, and we're up to Gala, which is 6 lines down. Gala, not the Kala, but each and every Gala, which it makes a noise. Yishtam Kulukin, it's heard in all the heavens. Even Arba Chebon, all of the Chayos, Kulum, Ishtav, they all connect to each other. Let's talk about the feeling of Galgali. It feels like a cargo, it's a wheel. I'm not sure that Mr. Chino finding the Galgali, but part of the same thing. And open is also this thing, I'm sure so there are some differences, but the point is that ain't Malach, which goes down and comes up, goes down and comes up, is like a wheel, because it brings down, brings things up, brings feels up, it brings Shafa down, brings feels up, brings Shafa down. So therefore, somehow they'll find connect up with the chayas. So when they these Alfani go, which are above, in the Chavon, the Elo, the chayas above. Clearly, they connect to each other. Being Rucha, the spirit, the Skala, being Ruchin, Milahata, and Lata, which gets absorbed in those fiery spirit, which I guess the Swarfim, which are above the chayas. The Sakal, the Sakal, the Elo, and they go connect on high, so they finally connect the chayos and the chayos. Again, the undervision you'll find in Galgalim is synonymous. You'll find the Galgalim connect the chayos to the Swarfim. If they're not synonymous, this seems to be the case. Um, the side the Elo become the Sakal, the Kshach, Usuk Barna, and they are go to be united on high. And to connect to the Ratzon of a person who's not authority, someone who's just in this kappa. Zakar by Yitzlaisa, sorry, Lucy Banar Zakar by Yitzlaisa the tongue. Again, there's a closer tefillah, so the tefillah goes up, and there's playoff. The Katzalka of Alice Boy Chala, when the tefillah goes up, the Seichel, not the Kula, takes everything. The Kula, not in Badar, takes everything's taken away with it. The Skalat Abadar, everything's connected. And the Skalat Barucha, they're connected to the Ruach above. Ruach not the Usa, the Kshur, the Yehuda, the Tzloisa, and that Ruach takes with the will, which is connected to the unity which is accomplished by the tefillah, the miyachta kula, which is completely unified with on a by at the mata kula echotli saw. So everything comes up to the third heichal. The kli and the connected together. The kamar, like it says, eight to the kamar, like in the previous in the one below. Ish Esha, but Maya Esha, opposite the track, and everything comes together to connect on high. Barucha, the Afro Barucha. This person is Zakai, the person who's able to daven his way, the person who's on this stuff, as we said before, the person who's Mekai Shema the Mara, alright? So then everything comes together for him, right? Again, opposites. Fire and water, fire, Rucha Bara, Afro Rucha. Spirit. Dirt and spirit. Mizrach Marav, east and west, Marav and Mizrach, west and east. Some Durham, north and south, Durham south, and south and north. V'achi, Hani, Kulam, Iskashin, Dabadah, and all connected, it's after Dabadah. And they're all unified with each other. Mishalom Dabadah, and they mesh with each other. They intertwine with each other. Kinkama, Chayim, Mishari, and the Isachtu, the type, and so too several armies, armed camps, Allah, these Achlu, which are unified, the Tata below. These Arva meaning the throne they get mixed down below. At the Mato Kochov the Saturn. So now we went from Saturn, yes, this is the4, and the first Echel to Jupiter over here. The Kama Mana Alma. There are several people, many people who are, many Malachim, sorry, who are trying to run Karucha Dai Skala, Mikul, and the work is unified with all of these. Mikul is Kilabam, he's doing it. So if it's Achad, we saw it goes into the third Heichal, which you're coming up to. Adi Sachab Ruz B'Chatamon until it becomes unified the work there. Go who Abuda the Koyim Tusa in the pillar which is in the middle. The Kedain, the Kulishtam Ad Hocha. Now everything is unified until this point. Kirikos as is appropriate. The Hulu Rucha Chado Kalil, Mikula, and there's all making up one spirit which is connected to everything. The Sholim is perfect. Mikula on account of everything. Then it says Ruach Echad Mahena. And one Ruach for all of them. Hacha Achra Mistab Kama Mark. And here it makes Achra a bow, a genuflection, I think is the proper term, to connect to its master. Okay, so now everything's unified, and we get to next to the Heichal we saw for next time, which of course the emphasis corresponds to next time.